Welcome to Throwback at Casino Filipino. On today's video, we feature the Philippines' very own Queen of Soul. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm applause to Jaya.
Hello! Kumusta naman kayo? Are you ready to party? At dapat kayo palang tumatayo na tayong lahat. Ready na sumayaw. Let's go! That's the way, I like it. That's the way, I like it. Oh, nakatayo na to. That's the way, I like it. That's the way, konti pang effects. When you give me all your love and tell me I'm your loving girl. When you take me all your love and do the very best you can. Oh, that's the way, ayun naman. That's the way, I like it. That's the way, I like it. That's the way, I like it. Why don't you shake it to the right and shake it to the left and say you like it. You like it. Selfie na agad. I like it. That's the way, I like it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Kaya nyo ba yun, mama? Shake, shake, shake. Aray. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. We can lower the music down on the monitors. Yung minus one natin. Woo-hoo! Let me see you put your hands together like this. Come on! Yeah! Ooh, I would take the stars out of the sky for you. Stop the rain from falling if you ask me to. I'll do anything for you, your wish is my command. I can move a mountain when your hand is in my hand. Oh, words cannot express how much you mean to me. There must be some other way to make you see. If it takes my heart or soul, you know I'll pay the price. Everything that I possess, I gladly sacrifice. Sing with me. You to me are everything, the sweetest song. Say, oh baby. Oh baby. To you, I guess I'm just a clown who picks you up each time you're down. Oh baby. Oh baby. You give me just a taste of love to feel my hopes upon. Now you've got the power, boy, to keep me holding on. So now you've got the best of me. Come on and take the rest of me, oh baby. Kung alam ninyo yung kanta, sabay-sabay po tayo sa chorus at ito na po. 5, 6, 7, 8.
You to me are everything, the sweetest song that I can sing, oh baby,
Say what?
oh baby. umpisa pa lang eh. Eh kasi nagsayaw na agad lahat eh. Bakit lang dami nakaputi doon? Ano kayo, mga doktor? Tarayo. Ano sila? Estudyante? Ha? OJT. Hello OJT. Galing, para-pareho pangalan nyo. OJT, 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 OJT. Corny ko! So nice to see everyone. Magandang gabi po. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Kumusta naman kayo? Ha? Talo? O alats? Sayang, hingi pa naman akong 5%. Oo. Ako kasi swerte, pero di ako mahilig kasi. Pero talaga, nung last ko pong encounter sa isang casino sa Amerika, nabigyan lang po ako kasi sabi ko, ayoko ganyan-ganyan kasi malas ako sa ganyan. Sabi, huwag kang magsasabi ng ganyan. Mananalo ka. Sabi ko, ayokong gumastos ng sarili kong pera, pakanako lang yun. Binigyan ako ng 100. Wala pang 5 minutes, naging $1,300. Ganun ako kaswerte, kaya ayoko ng ganyan eh. Asan na yung padulas? Yung nanay ko po kasi mahilig magganyan eh, di ba? Kung nakikita niyo sa palakad-lakad sa iba't ibang casino, wala lang, trip lang niya yun. Actually, nandyan siya ngayon, Ma! Yan. So, ito talaga kasing favorite thing kong ginagawa, yung kumakanta po sa Casino Filipino, kasi iba din ang audience. Kahit ganito lang kayo, para kayong Araneta Coliseum, sa lakas ng mga bibig ninyo. Oh! Oh! Lakas pa natin, Kote! Let me hear you say it! Okay. Ay, para sa lahat ng mga iniwan at binabalikan, mga adik, saka umpisahan ko na yung kanta.
Two old friends meet again, wearing older faces.
Ito yung mga bagets eh.
Talk about the places they've been.
Mga millennials to.
Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere along the road.
And nowadays, ano nangyari? Ano nangyari?
Someday they'll meet again and have an even more than reminiscing. Maybe this time we'll love and they'll find.
Dito naman ako.
Maybe now they can be more than.
Sandali, makikiraante.
She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love.
Oh, alam niyo yan eh. Okay, relax din. Baka madapa ako.
It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that they had back then. They were too young to know when love is real. Somehow some things never change, and even pride hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. And have another chance.
Parang naka 1 hour na ako sa pagpipicture pa lang. Nakakaloka kayo. Ano ba ang gulo ng OJT? Mamaya, isang grupo tayo. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Nuurong ko lang yung aking bangko. Kasi gusto ko pong kantahan kayo ng mga awit na talaga naman pong nagbigay sa akin ng pangalan dito sa Pilipinas. Yes. Pero usually kasi, meron akong arrangement of these songs na I would normally sing, but this is the new version of it. And gusto ko lang pong ulit magpasalamat dun sa lahat ng mga nakinig starting from 1996 until now. Ito po ay parang hindi na yata maluluma. Ganun talaga ang OPM. Lagi siyang fresh. Lagi siyang may kurot sa ating mga puso. So para sa inyong lahat, ito po ay mga awiting nagbigay sa akin ng espasyo dito sa industriya para po sa inyong lahat, my hit songs. Hoy! Si ate. Sige kuya, music. Love, oo. Dati kasi akala ko ganon, tas ganon. I love this sign. Si Ryan Bang laging nakaganyan yan eh. Salamat po. Yeah. Para po sa lahat ng mga fans ng 80s, I have 2 songs for you that I would love to share. At kung alam po talaga ninyo, pwede po tayong sumabay at kumanta with me, okay? Here's one from Miss Patty Austin. If I believed in paradise, I swear I must be there. I swear I must be there right now with you. If I believe in miracles, I'd see that you and I were meant to be. But if I don't believe in paradise, and miracles aren't real, then something in this fantasy is real. Oh, it's love this time. I believe my heart's not telling me a lie, but believe I can't deny. If I believe in paradise, I swear I'm there. If I believed in magic spells, it all would be so clear. The magic spell must have brought you here. And if I don't see the future, I see that you and I were meant to be. But I don't believe in magic spells, and tomorrow's just not real. Then someone tell me, what is this I feel? I wanna believe it's love this time. I wanna believe my heart's not telling me a lie. I wanna believe it's love. I wanna believe my heart's not telling me a lie. But I can't deny. If I believed in paradise, I'd swear I'm I love you too! Thank you, thank you. So one of my influences, Patty Austin, and I used to really listen to this one lovely lady. Sana magkaroon din ako ng chance to meet her. Kasi si Patty, isa sa pinakamabait na taong nakilala ko and very hyper. I mean, nasa 62 na yata siya, pero talo niya ako sa energy level. And this one lady also, nung nauso po yung karaoke na cassette, paulit-ulit po ito na kinakanta ko palagi. Something from Miss Randy Crawford. If you're not afraid of what love brings, then endings are beginnings of beautiful things.
It's a circle that you know, and it starts with one hello. It starts with one hello.
Salamat po! Gutom lang yun.
You give me hope, strength, the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way, and only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the time and make me feel real good. Oh, you push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You break this heart and tear it apart, and suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile that I miss, those sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say, oh, it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got.
Ang galing. Lahat talaga tayo singer eh.
I have loved you only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time, feeling this feeling I have inside. You're a hopeless romantic, is what they say, falling in and out of love just like a play, memorizing each line, I still don't know what to say. What to say? Sing with me, everybody. Whenever you are near, my heart is running in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every second I dream of you in the most special way. Here beside me all the time, all the time. There was an empty piece of shell,
Alam niyo to?
smile in my own world without even knowing what love and life are all about. Anything you gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing when I met you.
Joyce Tanyan. Salamat po. Alam mo ikaw, ako nagbibiro, sumali ka sa TNT. Dami kang tataubin dun. Galing kasi ng Pinoy Pop Superstar. Ilang taong ka no, nung nagja-judge kami doon? 18. Sus Mariosep, oo. Andun na halos sila Lucky Robles, di ba? Jonalyn Viray. Well, Jonah na siya ngayon, si Jonah. Si Acel, nag-musical Broadway na sa Switzerland siya ngayon. So, ang dami-dami nagiging product ng mga singing competitions. And I think, even for me, dati din nung nagsisimula ako, dami rin akong mga, tawag nito, yung mga nagsasabi, wag na, hindi pwede yan, maitim yan eh. Wag na, oo, wag na. Ang gusto dito sa Pilipinas, mestiza. Sexy. Sexy naman ako sa isip. So, growing up, you kinda lose hope. But not really, kasi feeling mo naman, di kung di dito, di sa Amerika. So, accident happened, we went to America, and doon po nagsimula lahat. And that's why sometimes, I think, tayong mga Pilipino, hindi tayo talaga madaling mawalan ng pag-asa. Malakas kasi loob natin. Tsaka sanay tayo dun sa lait, sanay tayo sa put down, sanay tayo sa lahat ng mga hirap. Napagdaanan ko yung lahat, walang matulugan, walang makainan, pakikisama, hindi ka pwede maligo sa banyo ng mga may banyo kasi blah, blah, blah. So my mom and I went through a lot of that. And the only thing that really kept us alive was our faith. The faith that God will one day turn our lives around. Because a door closes and one will open. Diba? Pag may gabi, may liwanag. And that's called hope. Pag wala kang hope, ang lungkot. Kasi talagang hindi mo nakikita yung big picture eh. Yung big picture na yan na kahit anong mangyari, pag nangarap ka at naniwala kang ibibigay sa'yo ng Diyos, kailangan kasi may Diyos. Hindi pwedeng wala. Hindi pwedeng kanya-kanyang diskarte tayo. That's when we make mistakes. And that's why now that I'm a lot older, when I realized that God was really working in my life, medyo matanda na ako noon 2012. When I accepted Jesus Christ. 2012. Imagine all the mistakes I've made before that. So, ako, naniniwala ko na there's got to be hope and I want you to keep that in your hearts. Whatever dreams you have, whatever aspirations sa buhay na gusto ninyong maganap, it will take time. Walang mabilis. Kasi ang mabilis, madaling mawala. Pinaghihirapan lahat. And that's why I thought I would like to share something, a song na pinasikat po ng isang kahukuhurado namin. I've had the privilege of working with this man, si Mr. Rico J. Puno. Isa yun sa taong nakita ko ng ubod ng laki ng hope. Hindi lang po hope na sigarilyo, kasi nagyoyosi dati yun. But like hope in the sense that he was actually, idol namin siya, kami nila Jano Gibbs, yung mga ganong tipong R&B na mahilig kumanta ng mga soul music ng mga bata. Siya yung tiningnan namin. Bakit siya ganon? Di naman siya ganong kapogi, hindi naman siya masyadong maputi, di naman siya masyadong ganito, ganyan. Pero grabe yung boses niya. It was just something that we could hope na one day we could get to where he's at. And we did. I think, nakasama ko pa nga siya eh. Naging kaibigan ko. And I'd like to share this very beautiful song. This is not found in any karaoke YouTube channels. Pinagawa ko po talaga ito kasi talagang napakaganda ng mensahe para po sa lahat ng mga nawawalan ng pag-asa, sa lahat ng mga hindi alam ang gagawin sa buhay. Just keep that hope in your heart because someday you will have that dream in your hands. Pag nandyan naman na yan, then things will just be beautiful. But even though wala pa yan dyan, consider yourselves and your lives beautiful because God gave that to you. Maging grateful tayo. And this is a song para po sa inyong lahat. Kahit masaya kayo, namnamin pa rin natin to because this is what made us happy. The hope that we had in our Lord. So, para po sa inyong lahat, sana'y magustuhan ninyo ito. maghintay at may bukas. May bukas pa sa iyong buhay. Tutulungan ka ng Diyos na may lalang. Ang iyong pagdaramdam, ibalangin mo sa may kapuna sa puso mo ay mawala ng lubusan. Sa daigdig, ang buhay ay ganyan. May ligaya at lumay. Maghintay at may nakalang bukas. May bukas pa sa iyong buhay. Tumutulungan ka ng Diyos na may lalang. Ang iyong pagdaramdam, italagin mo sa may kapal. Nasa puso mo ay mawala ng lubusan. Ang iyong pagdaramdam, ilalangin mo sa may kapal. Nasa puso mo ay mawala ng lubusan. Thank you! Yeah, ganon. Ganon! Kapalan lang ng mukha yan. I love you too. Love you too. Alam mo, I love you. The greatest command, love. Love you. Ay, nako, mas lalong love na love ko to. Ang PodCore Chairman and CEO, si Miss Andrea T. Domingo. Palakpakan po natin. Officer in charge ng AVP for Entertainment, si Elmer Quintana. Casino Filipino Manila Bay Officer in charge, Enrile Esguerra. Branch Manager, Luis Senatin. Entertainment and Marketing Staff ng Casino Filipino Manila Bay. And lahat po ng mga shows, update, punta lang po kayo sa Facebook ng Casino Filipino Manila Bay. At ang ating sound engineers, na pinaganda talaga na ng pinapak-pak ang sound. Ng pak na pak. Salamat. Ano ang pangalan nyo, mga tarugs? Kala nyo naman ang tinuko, di ba? Sino ba nanay ko? Tarugs! Thank you. Salamat po. Pinagaganda niyo yung tunog ko, nakakaloka kayo. And just like that, mga friends, sa susunod magkikita-kita ulit tayo. Ito yung sinatawag na petsa ng February. Charot. Nagsischedule na ako ng sarili ko. Yung nag-asikaso kanina sa akin si Bossing, salamat po. Siya nagbigay ng hot water ko, ng lahat. Kanina po. Maraming salamat. And, ready na ba kayo sumayaw? Kasi kailangan, bago tayo magka-walwalan dito, gusto ko kayo makitang nakatayo. Tayo! Alam niyo ba, minsan may mga sumasayaw pa sa tabi ko, naloloka ako. Kaya tinatabi ko to eh. Kasi mamaya baka may mag-akyatan dito. Are you guys ready to party? Wow. Tara! Music please! Thank you so much for coming. Hindi kaya alis, sasayaw muna tayo. Ano yan? Automatic yan. Woo! Sayaw kayo! Kailangan niyo sumayaw. Magpapainit tayo ng katawan. Ang kasiyahan ng tunay na pagmamahalan ay maralaman, lalo na kung nagsasayawan. Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo. Kailangan nakatayo, gumagano na, millennial. Yan! Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa itak na panahon. Kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumayaw ka sa itak na panahon. Mag-isama, mag-enjoy ka. Ngayon, Woo! Pwede kayo umakyat dito. Tamahon na, tatahan lang. Nasayang kaya't sundin. Dito sa likod. Ay, sorry po. Ano ba? Hindi ko sinabi ng picture. Gusto ko dancers. Dan-dan-dan-dan. Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sumayaw, sumunod. Ate, urong po. Panahon. Kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa itak na panahon. Makisama, mag-enjoy ka. Atras po tayo ng konti, baka magkahulugan tayo dito. Hala! Ay! Chichara naman. Lahat ay nagkulat at buksan ng pinto. Sayaw ng mga tao'y biglang napinto. Buhok mo'y Gucci, alam pa kay Gucci. Sabat mo ay kawan ni Bitoy. Di nang galing kay Eloy. Ay di ka. Bonggang ganda. Sige lang, itaas ang kilay. Bonggang ganda. Bonggang ganda. Sige lang, oh, itaas ang kilay. Hala! Hala! Mahuhulog tayo nito eh! Nanananaman, tambong sa pinto. Sayaw ng mga tao'y biglang nahinto. Buhok mo'y Gucci, alam pa kay Gucci. Doon mo'y gawa ni Bitoy, di nanggaling kay Eloy. Bonggang gantay, bonggang gantay. Urong tayo, mahuhulog na. As, wala bang guard? Bonggang gantay, bonggang gantay. Sige lang, itaas ang kilay. Ay, naku, ito mga millennials na titos and titas, oo. Lang iba ang sasarap sa pagtitinginan natin. Sana ay ikaw wakas nitong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman ay lagi kang
mo. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo.
Thank you so much for coming tonight! Tayo'y magsayawan, sumabay sa nagtutulungan. Tayo'y magsayawan, sumabay sa takbo ng tugtugan. Tayo'y magsayawan, sumabay sa takbo ng tugtugan. Woo! At sa magtabangan, ibigay ang takot, ibigay ang sarap ng buhay. Tayo'y magsayawan. Thank you! Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat! God bless you! Ingat ha!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, and watch out for our next video, only here in Throwback at Casino Filipino. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button